Greetings, y'all. Sacred Walker here, reaching out to talk with you today about one stress enhancing behavior. No, I am your host of Kuumba Health TV, and here to focus in on how to move those passion blockers so that you can step into unleashing your higher vision of excellence. That is, stepping into your higher vision of excellence. So one of the things that many people come to me about is the ways that their monthly moon cycle or menstruation is stressing them out, or the fact that it just feels so painful yet so private. And so guess what? Cat is out of the bag. One way to unleash a secret passion is that you have to be honest with what's causing you pain. All right, whether it's physical, physiological, or pain that's in your mind from the past. Okay, and so trust me, you either experience this or know someone that does. So if you feel like this doesn't apply to you, forward it to someone else and be that of a more loving friend, partner, or companion. All right, so if you are someone who, when you feel stress, you feel like your body is experiencing your moon cycle on so much more of an intense level, or you feel like you get to the end of your day or end of your week and you feel like the world is crushing in on you. You just want to turn off the phone, lie in bed, shut everything out. Or if you're someone that has for a long time just been someone that says, yeah, I'm fine. But truth is, you're really overwhelmed and you really haven't connected with someone intimately, or you haven't had an intimate, honest conversation in a long time. But right now, I'm going to focus in on a tool that I gained from my painful experiences of having a moon cycle that was even more intensified when I had high stress. But this can be used in any of those areas that I mentioned. I got myself, and I created for myself, a goddess bag, okay? And it has little tassels to boot because I believe in being a cheerleader for myself and others and have done so for thousands around the world, and it works. So why not be fully myself, right? So tassels and all. What did I put into my goddess kit? I went ahead and took literally 30 minutes, y'all. Keep it. Do not emotionally impulse spend here. Do not get this when you are feeling overwhelmed. Make sure you take some time and you're at the end of your day. You stop at your local pharmacy, your local place, whether you are in San Francisco or whether you are in Newark or Nigeria. You take some time to get yourself a little goodie bag getaway, okay? And I decided to incorporate the visual of being at Waterside today because that also brings me and many others peace. But you find whatever experience it is for you, okay? So got your goodie bag. Imagine that you were about to be taking yourself away to some sweet and exotic place or some powerful place that brings you zen. And I put into it some good treats, okay? So I put in, for me, a little perfume stick, a little lavender that will ground and center. For me, I put some ginger tea, okay? Because I know that for me, it's so important, and many others, ginger can be something of a stimulant. But if it's something where you are needing something to kind of calm you down, peppermint can be helpful as well as other herbs, okay? And so that's important. I also put some grapeseed oil because it's really important for me that I give myself a scalp massage at the end of the day. And then I also got from a very good friend who sells oils out in Brooklyn, but you can get it anywhere. But she specifically makes her own pain oils, Beverly Bolden. So definitely give her a shout out. So I went ahead and have that. And I also put some sanitary napkins in here because it's important for me, right? And I think it's important if you have a young daughter in your life, a granddaughter, a baby cousin, a little sister, that you teach her this because there's so much shame around something that's really rich and layered, okay, even though it can be painful. And if you learn to manage your stress, it will help with the pain. And if you tell me that you had this experience, you reach out to me, I am definitely here. But this is something we need to learn together. For me, I put my little cocoa butter stick because for me, I need to make sure that I am feeling moist and fresh. I put a little, I'm about both Western and Eastern medicine and African medicine of many kinds. And so I also put a little Western medicine in here for me to have just in case it feels overwhelming, because I was also struggling with a cold. And I also put a throat spray. So you put what feels right for you into your kit. I would say you do not want to exceed $50 on your kit, okay? I would say keep it nice, keep it light, keep it frugal, but keep it you. And see what are your mind, body, and spirit things. I would also add to that a little, book, because I'm a writer and I actually have a book coming out that you will definitely hear about very soon. So don't worry, it's on its way to you and you can get an autographed copy and all of that. But I would say put a little book in there if you are a writer or a fellow creative, even if it's you just creating what works for you into this bag and a pen. And I actually put down all the things that I want to manifest. My bucket list, if you will, but it's not a dying bucket list, it's a living bucket list because I deserve a life-affirming life. So put that in there too. And imagine that you are going on your own little mini secret vacation. And so whenever you are in that place where you want to shut down the world, you don't have to feel like you are vacationing alone. You actually have your kit. And this is for folks who've been married, who work with me, who've been married for over 20, 30, 40 years, or who are newlyweds, or who just met. You can be single or together, poly or not. And it really is meant for this being your bag, okay? So I'm all packed up and ready to go on a trip called self-care, y'all. Much love, medicine, in life stressful moments. And remember, you are not alone. My call to action is to reach out. We are going to be starting our next course soon that I definitely think you should check out. And one of the major things that we're going to start from the very beginning at ABC is how to transform stress-enhancing behavior and unleash your secret passion. ABC, step by step, next level, so you can reclaim your life-affirming life. All right, y'all. So I've got to go. Bye, y'all. Much love into life stressful moments. Peace. On behalf of Kuumba Health, LLC.